It feels really good. Fits well. Whenever we get new kid, we always skeptical whether it
Yeah.
can fit or not. But fits well. I mean, my I-League team also has Puma, so it was easy to give the sizes. Really happy with the kit, man.
You're happy with the kit, the socks and all, and the shorts not too long, not too short. You know, you won't have a problem unleashing those deadly volleys and drives.
No, not at all. No excuses there. I think the jersey fits really well. The shorts are perfect. Really happy. I play for the national team, jersey blue. I play for Mumbai City FC, jersey blue. I play for Bangalore FC, jersey blue. So I'm not complaining.
Listen, you are India's all-time highest goal scorer playing for the national team.
It's gonna be tough because it's not easy. You know, when you are a player, you wake up in the morning and you train. But when you are a manager,
You don't sleep
wake
at
up
night.
earlier and you finish later. So it's gonna be tough. But we did, I think, a big squad, a good squad, and we hope to do well.
No, actually, I just played one game where Moritz wasn't there, Sunil wasn't there, Subrata, and Nick hadn't come that time. But you know, I always believe that I'm a decent football player, and I should always show off that मुझे football आता है, and you know, now I own a team and stuff. But you really get a reality check when you play with these guys. You know, I mean, what you see on TV and stuff may seem is really simple, but when you play with them, you understand the kind of discipline, the kind of respect, the kind of talent that these people have, and I just feel like a complete honor and complete gratitude. Actually, you know, we have 4 great superstars here. You know, who people can look up to, the team players can look up to. We have the young budding superstars, and I think we all at Mumbai City Football Club, not just us, you know, the people who are involved, but also the fans, the people of Mumbai City. All we expect is, you know, respect, humility, hard work, discipline, passion, and of course the most important, victory. And you know, I think this year we're going to get all of that. You know, I don't have much participation in the technical side. I think I would like to give all the credit to Nishant and Oscar. But I think stuff like choosing your jersey, the colors, the fit, you know, the design, that's something you know, which will go for a long time. The fans will enjoy. We hope we'll progress to different designs and better colors and different models of the same design.
You chose the blue?
Yes, I did. The blue, the red going across. I think the red going across was just because, you know, it's like a heartbeat sign. So there has been a little bit of detailing behind it, but I'm really happy with what Puma has done. You know, it's really comfortable. There's a stretch material. It looks great. It has a slim fit, you know, to the players, and I think it's going to look awesome on TV. I know Sunil on a personal level for many years. You know, we've done some events together, some charity events. We've played soccer together. So I was really glad to have him, not because of the level of football player that he is, that we all know. He is one of the best football players that India has ever produced. But I think he's a great guy, and I think he's someone who will play for the team. He's somebody who the young stars will look up to. And we couldn't have got a better signing than Sunil. And I think इस साल हमने टीम तो अच्छी बनाई है, players सब अच्छे हैं, but it is not possible without you guys. So if you guys are there at the stadium cheering your players, you know, if you're there behind them, supporting them, I think that's what is going to create the fire in the stomach and the desire to victory. So please come to the stadium, you know, to DY Patil. Please cheer your team, and we promise you, like Nicholas said, top 4 this time. I promise you victory this time.
The first thing I heard about sports in India was the cricket, you know. So I arrived one day before the season starts, and then I played one game against Atletico Kolkata. We came back and we played the game against Pune, home. I was amazed. I mean, it was incredible, the support that they gave it to us. So we really, really expect that the fans will come every game, and it's going to be much more people there to support us.
नहीं सर, ऐसा सुपरस्टिशन या वास्तु नहीं था, बट आई थिंक हमारे रगों में वो ब्लू कलर अभी बसा है, क्योंकि जो हमारी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम है ब्लू पहनती है, मुंबई इंडियंस ब्लू पहनती है, यू नो, हमारे तिरंगा का जो बीच का जो वो है वो भी ब्लू है. तो आई थिंक सब कॉन्शियसली, यू नो, आई जस्ट थॉट कि ब्लू एंड रेड मेरा फेवरेट कलर है, तो मुझे वो कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा लगा था. लेकिन हमने बहुत इस पर, यू नो, बहुत ऊपर नीचे गए, क्या कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए, कैसा डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए. फाइनली हमने ये डिज़ाइन निकाला है. जो हमारा लोगो भी है उसके भी पीछे बहुत सोच थी. ये जो ट्रेन है which connects Mumbai as one, you know, जो stars है which are the islands of Mumbai. तो हाँ, इसके पीछे मेहनत तो बहुत हुई, but I really hope more than us कि you guys like the jersey, because जैसे मैंने कहा था ये क्लब आपका है, तो अगर आपको पसंद आएगा तभी हमारी तरक्की होगी इस जर्सी की. जहाँ फिटनेस का सवाल है मेरा, क्योंकि मैं एक्टर हूँ और एक विजुअल मीडियम में हूँ, तो करना पड़ता है. जो वहाँ बैठे हैं एंथनी, वो मेरे ट्रेनर हैं. वो बड़े सख्त तरीके से मुझे, यू नो, जिम पर घसीट के लेके जाते हैं. तो तो 1 घंटा मैं वर्कआउट करता हूँ, हफ्ते में 2 बार फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ। आई थिंक मेरे लिए नहीं, सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि हम फिट रहें। हम एक स्पोर्ट के लिए, आई थिंक स्पोर्ट हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाता है। और जहाँ फुटबॉल का सवाल है, जहाँ टीम स्पिरिट हो, रिस्पेक्ट हो, ट्रस्ट हो, आई थिंक जस्ट टू पिक अ स्पोर्ट एंड टू प्ले इट वंस अ वीक, आई थिंक सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है।